In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all contacts from your iPhone at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Phone app. Then go to your contacts, and on that step, first off, you need to select all of your contacts. To do that, just touch and hold your screen with two fingers at once, and then just drag them down, and it will start scrolling down and selecting multiple contacts at the same time. You can continue holding your fingers to the end of that list to select all the contacts at once, and once all the contacts are selected, all you have to do is just hold down your finger at selected contacts, and then it comes up with that pop-up where you should select delete and your amount of contacts. Just hit on that option and all of your selected contacts will be deleted. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.